If you've ever shared your phone or tablet with a small child, you know how easy it is for their little hands to get into all kinds of apps and screens you might not want them to access. Did you know that iOS includes a feature that allows you to lock your device into one specific app? It's called guided access. It gives you control over which apps and features are available on your screen. This can be helpful when someone else is using your device, especially kids. It's really easy to use. I'll show you how. Go to Settings, then tap Accessibility and turn on Guided Access. Tap Passcode Settings and create a passcode. You'll use this to start a session. From here, you can activate Touch ID or Face ID as a way to end a session. Now that it's enabled, here's how you use it. Open the app you want, then triple-click the side button. If you're using an iPhone 8 or earlier, triple-click the Home button. Tap Guided Access, then tap Start. You can even go a step further and lock certain parts of your screen. Just triple-click the side or Home button again, and then enter your passcode. Then use your finger to draw a circle around certain parts of the screen that you want off limits, and tap Resume. To stop using Guided Access, triple-click the side or Home button, enter your passcode, then tap End. If you turned on Touch ID or Face ID, double-click the side or Home button. That's it! Now you can hand your device over to a child, friend, or colleague, knowing that they can only see what you want them to. Did you learn something new? Click the like button and subscribe to this channel for more smart home content.